Number 1. Earthquake hits. It means when an area is struck by an earthquake.
The earthquake hit the city hard last night. The earthquake hit the city hard last night. When the earthquake hit, everyone panicked. When the earthquake hit, everyone panicked. An earthquake hit near the coast this morning. An earthquake hit near the coast this morning.
Number 2. Floods hit. It means when an area is affected by severe flooding.
Floods hit the town after the heavy rains. Floods hit the town after the heavy rains. The annual floods hit the farming regions hardest. The annual floods hit the farming regions hardest. When the floods hit, many were evacuated. When the floods hit, many were evacuated.
Number 3. Hit the headlines. It means to become a major news story.
The scandal hit the headlines worldwide. The scandal hit the headlines worldwide. She hit the headlines after winning the gold. She hit the headlines after winning the gold. Their discovery hit the headlines in the science community. Their discovery hit the headlines in the science community.
Number 4. Outbreak hits. It means when a sudden occurrence of disease starts spreading.
An outbreak hit the densely populated city. An outbreak hit the densely populated city. When the flu outbreak hit, schools closed down. When the flu outbreak hit, schools closed down. The outbreak hit the community fast and hard. The outbreak hit the community fast and hard.
Number 5. Class is held. It means when a class or session takes place.
Class is held every Monday and Wednesday. Class is held every Monday and Wednesday. No class is held during the holiday break. No class is held during the holiday break. The workshop class is held in the main building. The workshop class is held in the main building.
Number 6. Hold firmly to. It means to maintain a strong belief or keep a tight grip on something.
She holds firmly to her beliefs. She holds firmly to her beliefs. Hold firmly to the railing while walking. Hold firmly to the railing while walking. You must hold firmly to the rope. You must hold firmly to the rope.
Number 7. Hold the opinion that. It means to believe or think a specific way about something.
I hold the opinion that education is fundamental. I hold the opinion that education is fundamental. She holds the opinion that dogs are better than cats. She holds the opinion that dogs are better than cats. He holds the opinion that we need more parks. He holds the opinion that we need more parks.
Number 8. Hold talks. It means to have formal discussions or negotiations.
The countries will hold talks next week. The countries will hold talks next week. They held talks to resolve the conflict. They held talks to resolve the conflict. Leaders agreed to hold talks about environmental issues. Leaders agreed to hold talks about environmental issues.
Number 9. Hold the view that. It means to maintain a certain belief or perspective.
He holds the view that technology improves lives. He holds the view that technology improves lives. They hold the view that children should play outdoors. They hold the view that children should play outdoors. We hold the view that honesty is the best policy. We hold the view that honesty is the best policy.
Number 10, keep asking. It means to continue to ask questions or for information.
She kept asking why the sky is blue. She kept asking why the sky is blue. Don't keep asking, I've already told you. Don't keep asking, I've already told you. He kept asking for details about the project. He kept asking for details about the project.
Number 11, keep fit. It means to stay in good physical condition.
I run daily to keep fit. I run daily to keep fit. They keep fit by swimming regularly. They keep fit by swimming regularly. She keeps fit with yoga and Pilates. She keeps fit with yoga and Pilates.
Number 12, keep hitting. It means to continue to strike or attack repeatedly.
The rain kept hitting against the window. The rain kept hitting against the window. He kept hitting the snooze button. He kept hitting the snooze button. The boxer kept hitting his opponent. The boxer kept hitting his opponent.
Number 13, keep in contact. It means to continue to communicate or stay connected with someone.
Let's keep in contact after the conference. Let's keep in contact after the conference. She keeps in contact with her college friends. She keeps in contact with her college friends. Despite the distance, they keep in contact. Despite the distance, they keep in contact.
Number 14, keep interrupting. It means to repeatedly break the flow of someone else's speech.
Please don't keep interrupting while I'm speaking. Please don't keep interrupting while I'm speaking. He keeps interrupting when I try to explain. He keeps interrupting when I try to explain. She kept interrupting the meeting unnecessarily. She kept interrupting the meeting unnecessarily.
Number 15, keep in touch. It means to maintain communication with someone.
Let's keep in touch over the holidays. Let's keep in touch over the holidays. We promise to keep in touch after graduation. We promise to keep in touch after graduation. He finds it hard to keep in touch. He finds it hard to keep in touch.
Number 16, keep a notebook. It means to regularly use a notebook for writing down information or personal thoughts.
She keeps a notebook for her daily reflections. She keeps a notebook for her daily reflections. I keep a notebook for new vocabulary. I keep a notebook for new vocabulary. It's helpful to keep a notebook during lectures. It's helpful to keep a notebook during lectures.
Number 17, keep the peace. It means to maintain order and prevent conflict.
Police are there to help keep the peace. Police are there to help keep the peace. He always tries to keep the peace at home. He always tries to keep the peace at home. Community leaders worked together to keep the peace. Community leaders worked together to keep the peace.
Number 18. Keep a record. It means to maintain written or digital notes of events or transactions.
She keeps a record of all meetings. She keeps a record of all meetings. Businesses must keep a record of their sales. Businesses must keep a record of their sales. It's important to keep a record of your expenses. It's important to keep a record of your expenses.
Number 19. Keep to the rules. It means to follow or adhere to established guidelines or regulations.
Students are expected to keep to the rules. Students are expected to keep to the rules. Please keep to the rules while using the lab. Please keep to the rules while using the lab. Keeping to the rules ensures everyone's safety. Keeping to the rules ensures everyone's safety.
Number 20. Keep secrets. It means to not reveal confidential or personal information.
She knows how to keep secrets. She knows how to keep secrets. It's hard for him to keep secrets. It's hard for him to keep secrets. Can you keep secrets from your friends? Can you keep secrets from your friends?
Number 21. Keep someone informed. It means to regularly provide someone with the latest information or updates.
Please keep me informed of any changes. Please keep me informed of any changes. He keeps his team informed about project progress. He keeps his team informed about project progress. She always keeps her family informed about her health. She always keeps her family informed about her health.
Number 22. Keep your temper. It means to remain calm and not become angry.
She learned to keep her temper in meetings. She learned to keep her temper in meetings. Keep your temper when the kids are noisy. Keep your temper when the kids are noisy. It's important to keep your temper during negotiations. It's important to keep your temper during negotiations.
Number 23. Keep a watch on. It means to observe or monitor something carefully.
Keep a watch on the oven while baking. Keep a watch on the oven while baking. They keep a watch on the stock prices. They keep a watch on the stock prices. He keeps a watch on the weather for changes. He keeps a watch on the weather for changes.
Number 24. Keep your word. It means to fulfill a promise or commitment.
Always keep your word to build trust. Always keep your word to build trust. He failed to keep his word last time. He failed to keep his word last time. She always keeps her word, no matter what. She always keeps her word, no matter what.
Number 25. Kick the habit. It means to stop a bad habit or addiction.
He managed to kick the smoking habit. He managed to kick the smoking habit. Kicking the habit was tough but rewarding. Kicking the habit was tough but rewarding. She's trying hard to kick the habit of biting nails. She's trying hard to kick the habit of biting nails.